Welcome! If you're tired of your phone vibrating every time someone posts their first story or post on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off vibration for first posts and stories notifications on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will open up all the settings specific to the Instagram app. Now, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Here you'll see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you, and you can customize how you receive them. We're going to dig a little deeper. Tap on Notification Categories. This will show you a detailed list of every notification type Instagram uses, including likes, comments, direct messages, and more. Scroll until you find First Posts and Stories. This is the category responsible for those specific notifications about first-time posts and stories from people you follow. Tap on First Posts and Stories to open its settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Vibrate. By default, this might be turned on, which is why your phone vibrates every time you get these notifications. To stop the vibration, simply toggle off the Vibrate option. That's it. From now on, you'll still get notified about first posts and stories, but your phone will stay silent and won't vibrate. This quick change can make a big difference, especially if you want to keep your phone quiet during meetings, classes, or just want a little less distraction throughout your day. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for managing your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.